Hello everyone, my name is Ryan Stark and I am a product training coordinator within the training department here at WellnessLiving, and in this video I will discuss how FitVID memberships can now be added to packages, gift cards, and discount codes. As I mentioned, FitVID memberships can now be applied to packages, gift cards, and discount codes. This is an especially helpful improvement as it will allow customers to have greater control over how they want to offer and market FitVID to their clients. So let's start off by looking at how to incorporate a FitVID membership within a package purchase option. So to see this, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go up to the app drawer. I'm going to click there, and then we're going to navigate down to Setup and click within Setup. And once we're within Setup, I'm going to go to Store Configuration. I'm going to click for the drop-down, and then I'm going to select Purchase Options. And once we're within the Purchase Options page, what I want to do is just navigate over to Create Package and select this option. Once I do this, what we can do is we can give the package a relevant name. So I'm going to go ahead and give it this name, which is FitVID and Classes Membership. Again, we are creating a package. So this package is going to contain a FitVID membership and a Classes membership. We can also give it a relevant description and a relevant image if we wish to do so as well. And we can fill out everything for this actual package purchase option according to what the business wants or what our business needs or requirements are. Underneath that, we have this section where it says select which items to include in this package. And this is where we can actually go through and select the items we want to put into the package just as before. However, as you can see, there is now a new option, which is FitVID. So this FitVID tab, if I click on it, will open up. And what I can do is I can select from any previously created FitVID memberships within the business to include as part of this package. So what I'm going to do is I can click on it. I can see I have two already created FitVID purchase options within this particular business. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to click on Add, and then I'll have the confirmation required. So I'll click on OK, and we can see that now it includes a FitVID membership. And since this is part of a package, I do want to make sure that I include something else. So I'm going to include my classes in this as well. So let's go ahead and add a 6-month unlimited membership for classes. So there we go. We can go through and finish filling out this purchase option, setting it up based on the business requirements that we have within our business. And then once we're done and we're happy with everything, all we have to do is go right down to the bottom where it says save and click on save. And now when we go back to the purchase options page, we can see we have a FitVID and Classes membership package created. So we can see this, it is correct. I can click into it and we can see exactly what we put in there, which again is that 6-month Classes membership and the 6-month FitVID membership as well. So that's perfect. That's what we want to see. And that is part of the new improvement. So next, let's move on to gift cards. All right, so to navigate to gift cards, what we want to do is go to Store Configuration and then navigate down to where it says Gift Cards and select Gift Cards. Under gift cards, we can see that there are 3 different options that we have to select from when creating a gift card. However, we can only include products and services to the products and services gift card, which we can see right here. And this is going to be the one that I select. And once we select that option, we're going to be brought to the gift card setup page where we can go through, we can set up our gift card and include that FitVID membership on it. So the first thing that we're going to want to do when setting up any gift card is make sure we give it a relevant title. So let's put in FitVID gift card. Perfect. We can give it a message to the recipient as well. So let's do something quick like you're going to love this. Perfect. We can also include a different image if we wish, and you'll see if I navigate down right here underneath select which items to include in this gift card, there is a new option available right here which says FitVID. So when I select the FitVID tab, it's going to show me previously created FitVID memberships within the business to select from. And there is also another option right here where it says add FitVID membership, where if selected, it will take you back to the purchase options page to create a FitVID membership. So between the 2 memberships, what I can do is I can go through, I can add the one that I want to be applied to the gift card. So all I have to do is click on add. So once I select the FitVID membership I want to be applied to the gift card, I will continue to complete the rest of the gift card setup. And once I'm content with the settings and the choices that I've made during the setup for this gift card, all I have to do is go down and click on save. And now if we navigate down, we can see we have this gift card that we just set up, which is the FitVID gift card. And now this is an available gift card for purchase by clients within the online store. So now that we've looked at packages and gift cards, let's take a look at discount codes. So to navigate to our discount codes, what we want to do is go to Store Configuration then we can navigate down to where it says discount codes, and then we're going to click there. So once we select that option, we'll be brought to the discount codes page. And there's two ways that we can actually add a discount code. One being going up to this button and clicking on new discount, or we can go over here and click on add new discount code, which I'm going to select. So from here, we can start setting up our discount code. And to do that, we can set it up based on our wants, our needs, and our requirements. In addition to this, and just as a note, there has been no change to the actual way and functionality for discount code set up itself, except for one section where we're actually going to be able to apply a FitVID membership to the discount code, which I'm going to go over. So for now, let's go through and give it a relevant title, a relevant description, and everything else. So let's go through. Let's put in FitVID discount code. Perfect. You can put in a relevant description if you wish, and then you can choose that this discount code will have a monetary value off or a percentage off. So let's say right now I want this discount code to be $5 off. And then for discount code itself, we can go through, we could put in a custom discount code, or we can auto-generate one just as before. So I'm going to auto-generate one. Under duration, we can set up the duration for it as well. But underneath utilization, we have a on-off slider button right here for allow discounts to all items. Currently, right now, it is set to the on position, so all items in the store are being discounted for that $5 off. However, if I turn this to the off position, then we can see a list of tabs with their associated services and products. This also includes a new FitVID tab that we can see right here. So if I click on the FitVID tab, then we can select from the FitVID memberships that have already been created in the business. And we can also see a button right here, which is add FitVID memberships, where if selected, it will take you back to the purchase options page to create a new membership for FitVID. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add the FitVID membership that I want to apply to this discount code. Then I can go through, I can finish filling out the discount code, filling out the settings for it in the setup. And then once I'm happy with everything, all I have to do again is go over and click on Save Changes. And now that I've done that, within our discount codes, we can see that we have a FitVID discount code that we just created for $5 off for that particular FitVID membership that we included. So we went in and we created a package which offers a FitVID membership. We set up a gift card to specifically apply to a FitVID membership. And now we even created a discount code which applies to the FitVID membership as well. So as you can see, customers will now have more options when it comes to how they want to offer and market FitVID within their business to better serve their clients.